Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer XRP from your Ledger Nano X to Gemini in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely, especially with the evolving landscape of regulations and tech updates. Whether you're looking to sell, trade, or just shuffle your portfolio, this step-by-step guide will have you covered in no time. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up with the latest firmware, and that your XRP is safely stored in your wallet. You'll also need a verified Gemini account. Double-check that everything's linked and secure to avoid any hiccups. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer and open the Ledger Live app. If you haven't already, install the XRP app on your device by going to the Manager tab in Ledger Live and searching for XRP. Once that's done, navigate to the Accounts section and select your XRP account to view your balance. Step 2. Head over to your Gemini account on a web browser. Log in, go to the Deposit or Withdrawal section, and generate a new XRP deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's your destination for the transfer. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so always verify the address to prevent any losses. Step 3. Back in Ledger Live, select the XRP account and choose the Send option. Paste the Gemini address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, and don't forget to check the network fees. XRP transactions are known for being fast and cheap, but fees can vary based on network congestion. Step 4. Review everything on your Ledger device's screen. It's your hardware wallet's way of confirming the transaction securely. Once you're satisfied, approve the transaction on your Nano X. Sit tight as the transfer processes. It usually takes just a few minutes, but keep an eye on your Gemini account for confirmation. A quick tip: always use the XRP network for these transfers to ensure compatibility. In 2025, with potential updates to blockchain tech, stay informed about any changes to avoid delays. And there you have it. That's how you safely move your XRP from Ledger to Gemini. If you run into issues, check official support pages or reach out in the comments. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.